Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this easy origami phone holder. Don't forget to subscribe and see you after the intro. So first you'll need a square paper. I'm going to take this paper here. I'm going to take this line, I'm going to fold it over this one here. Then I'm going to fold over this line here to remove this part. So we're going to turn the paper to this side. Then unfold the paper. And now we're going to fold a plus here in the middle of the paper. So we're going to take first this line, we're going to fold it over this one. Then unfold the paper. Now we're going to take this line here and we're going to fold it over this one. Now unfold the paper. And take this line and this one and fold them both over the center line of the paper. Now we're going to take this line here. I'm going to fold it over this line, then over this one here. Now we're going to take this line here, I'm going to fold it over this one, which is the center of the paper. Then unfold it. Now we're going to cut over this line here. Then I'm going to take this line here, I'm going to fold it over the same center line. Then unfold it. Now we're going to take this line here, we're going to fold it over the line that we just did. Then we're going to take this one and fold it over here. Then unfold it. Now as you can see here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. So we're going to take the fourth one here. We're going to make 2 triangles in the corners. Then I'm going to turn the paper to this side. I'm going to take these 2 parts, the first and the second one, like this. And we're going to fold again 2 triangles this time in the corners with both the 2 parts. Now we're gonna take these triangles that we just made and we're gonna fold them to the inside. We're gonna push this to the inside like this. I'm gonna fold it. Same thing here. Now turn the paper to this side. I'm gonna take this part here that you see. I'm gonna fold it over this first part like this. I'm gonna add glue to it just to make it stronger. Then we're gonna let it dry a little bit. Then I'm gonna turn the paper to this side. And I'm gonna take this part here. And you see this fold, this line in the middle. I'm gonna fold over it. I'm gonna put it inside of this pouch here. So like this. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time.